I'm here at the Campamento Mamatera in Añasco, Puerto Rico, having a men's retreat. And it's 7 o'clock at night, and I want to walk around. I want you to hear the frog singing in the tree. That's not a frog. I'm going to pick up audio.
It's audio.
The video.
Or audio.
Audio. Audio.
Someone needed. Good, get down to the road.
There's a Coqui frog down here, real loud. See if we can get the sound of the Coqui. You hear the sound bounces off the wall. You think it's right there. Yeah? Robert just got in from San Juan.
Yes. What? What a drive.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.